Yo guys, Sshig here today. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a super important tutorial. It's how to get more views on your YouTube channel by making super clickable thumbnails. So I personally use Affinity Photo, but it doesn't matter. You can use programs like GIMP, PixArt, whatever. Just following this guide will help you no matter what you use. I'm going to make your canvas 1920 by 1080 and the rest doesn't matter. So after you've done that, you're going to want to find obviously your background for your thumbnail. So if we're doing Fortnite, we'll want to type in, I like to do this, and this is just my preference, Fortnite guy and grass. So as you can see, like, you can pick any one of these that you like that one. That one's pretty cool. I like that. So yeah, you just don't want anything too like crazy going on in the background because it's the background. It's not the main focus of the thumbnail. So after I do that, the first thing that I do is I add a Gaussian blur on it, and I usually put it at about 1.5. depending on what it is, so that way it just blurs it out a little bit. Then I add a vibrance adjustment and I bump the saturation up, which just makes it brighter, and I bump the vibrance up. These numbers don't matter, just do it to how you like. As you can see, that's it without the saturation, that's it with the saturation. It just makes it more vibrant, which is huge to grabbing clicks. Kids and everyone, just your eyes in general, love to see a nice saturated image. So after you've done this and you've got it blurred and everything, you want to add your text. So that's what I'm going to do, because the text is the most important thing on the thumbnail. But you don't want to have a whole essay on your thumbnail, but you don't want to have too little on your thumbnail. So if this video was how to build faster, I would just say like build faster or something like that, and that would make it, I usually like to do that, build faster, and people will know it's Fortnite by the background and what you're about to see next. So build faster. You could even say maybe how to build faster, but that's going to be in the title, so it really doesn't matter. If you want to put how to, you can. I personally am going to leave them out for this one. So then I make it white, and then I go ahead and give myself an outline on it, which I do by clicking outline, and then boom. That just makes it stand out a lot more from the background. Then I usually change the second word to a yellow color right there, which again just makes it stand out more. Another thing that I like to do that is completely optional is add a starburst on it. So I go here and I grab the starburst. Now you're probably confused, like, yo Sshig, I'm so confused, bro, what are you doing? You're gonna see in just a sec here. Then I change the opacity here, and as you can see, it just gives it a more little subtle effect, and you can just see the rays in the background. It's not huge, it's subtle. It makes it look better in my opinion, so you can use that if you want. So now you want to add your Fortnite character, because you have all this blank space here. I just would add like a Fortnite character, it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna add that, boom, yeet. Alright, just add a little skull trooper right there, obviously, and then I want to add build faster on top of it, because that is like the key thing. I'm gonna grab the arrow, because arrows get more clicks. Like if you wanted to have like a ramp or something, you could. That would be cool to do. We can actually go ahead and probably do that if you'd want. Let's go ahead and add a ramp. It's just gonna make it look better. So how I get, this is another huge thing, this is how I get my like skull trooper, all my 3D Fortnite characters, is this website. It's pixart.com/stickers, and just type in Fortnite. You're gonna be amazed whenever you open this. Like, you get some insane quality like renders on here for free. You don't even have to credit them at all. Like, it's great. Like, this is where I use all my skins and stuff from, because this is just the best website I think for making thumbnails and getting like cool effects and whatnot. Like, heck, I could even grab one of these right now if I wanted to. No, I actually am, just to show you guys that it looks great. But what I have to do in my thing is I have to open it in a new tab. I have to edit the sticker, and I have to open that in a new tab also. That's just Brave. That's the browser that I use. But yeah, so download, we're gonna make it a PNG. We're gonna call it leader tots again. Yeah, I just name mine as random stuff, and then I save it to graphics, backgrounds. Doesn't really matter where you save it. This just gives it a nice subtle effect. Again, it's not a must, but it does look nice. You also definitely want that on top of it, and your arrow on top of it, like that, and your skull trooper. So boom, that's another really cool effect that looks sick. and that's where I get like my skull trooper, like all these cool effects. But right now what we're looking for is a ramp. So Fortnite, maybe build, like maybe if I get the map, I can just grab my edit map. I can put that there if I wanted to. I could put it in his hand maybe in like a different type of thumbnail, but for now I think that. So boom, that's how you make a YouTube thumbnail that's clickable. Now wait, I know what a lot of you people are asking. Sshig, what font do you use? Because I get that question a lot, because my font is like one of the most clickable fonts on YouTube, and font is huge. And I forgot to mention it. It is Obelix Pro. It's completely free. So just type in Obelix Pro on Google, font download, and then you're gonna get it. So yeah. So boom, here's my thumbnail. So if you just like save it. So on my program I go file and then export, and then I save it as a JPEG. Make sure this size is less than 2 megabytes or else it won't upload to YouTube. But yeah, that's how you make a really, really cool thumbnail for Fortnite, Minecraft, literally anything on YouTube. So yeah, I hope this explained how to make a really good clickable thumbnail. Make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe to the channel. My name is Sshig. I'll see you guys in the next live stream or video. And as always, peace out.